Ladies and gentlemen, iRepair Autos. Today we're going to be doing a simple job, changing your cabin air filter on a Volkswagen car. This could be the Beetle, the Jetta, the Passat. They're all the same. This happens to be a turbo diesel car that we're looking at, but the same is true for gasoline powered drivetrains. So on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the dashboard, we're going to start by removing the little felt shroud that's under there. This shroud, just pull that down. Right here is the air cabin filter cover. Just slide that to the right. Comes down. I already have a clean filter in here, so I gotta be careful in taking it out. I don't want to rip it. But to remove it, you just pull that down like so. And it comes right out. Note the position that it's in. It's gonna go right back up in that same position. When you're putting it back into place, start off by just feeding it in. Take your time and just feed it in slowly. Once it's in position, you then take that plastic shroud, and there's some notches under here that fit into the filter. Push that up and then pop it back in place. The felt shroud goes back into position same way you took it off. I don't really need to spend a lot of time telling you how to put that back. Just make sure that when you're putting it back in place, that you don't cover these holes. Those holes are for the heat for your legs, or for your air conditioning, cold air as well. So with that, thanks for watching. Hope the video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. I'm sitting outside a Town Fair tire, but I'm not advertising for them in any way. Just getting some tires earlier this morning. So enjoy, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.